Hello everybody, Teacher Jane again, and guess what? Yes, it's story time. Okay, so today's story is all about shapes. Yes, here are different shapes, okay? And now I will show you the book. Okay, the book. Right, here it is. Look everybody, this is Red Bear. Yes? So our book is called Red Bear's Fun with Shapes. Okay everyone, let's start the reading. Our first shape is an oval. Yes, say it with me. Oval. Yes. And look, everybody. Red Bear is eating an egg. Yes. So the egg has an oval shape. All right. Next page, everyone. Look, the shape is zigzag. Yeah, so it goes down and up like that. All right. And here is the zigzag fence. And on top of the fence is what is it? Yes, it's a black cat. Meow, meow. Next shape, everybody. Look, this is a spiral. Yeah, so it goes around and around and around. Yes. And do you see the spiral shape here? Yes. Red Bear's trumpet has a spiral shape. Okay, on we go. Next shape, class. Look, this is a square. See, a square. A square has 4 sides, all the one length. Yeah, so we can count the sides. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, yes. And here is our friend Red Bear. Yes, with some square blocks. Yes, okay. Look everybody, a shape with 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It's a triangle. Say it with me. Triangle. Yes. And what color is the triangle, everyone? Is it orange? No, it's not. Is it blue? No, it's not. Is it green, maybe? Yes, it's a green triangle. And as you can see, a bear's sandwich is shaped like a triangle. Yeah? Triangle sandwich. That's what Red Bear's eating. Okay? On we go. Our next shape is a circle. Yes, it's a blue circle. Let's say a blue circle. And again, a blue circle. Lovely. Look, look. There's a ball. A green ball. I have a ball too. Look, this is my ball. Yes. So our next shape looks like this. It's a diamond. A diamond shape. Yes. Say it with me. Diamond. And again, diamond. Lovely. Perfect. Okay, and look over here. Red Bear has got a kite, my friends. This is a kite, yeah? And the kite has a diamond shape. All right, next shape. Ooh, interesting. It's a half circle. That's right, half circle. On we go. Okay, here is an oblong shape. Yeah, it's oblong. Also known as rectangle, I believe. Yeah? So look at the door. It's green and it has this oblong shape or rectangular shape, we can say. Yeah? And look, everybody, look at this. It's a star. Wow. Say it again. Star. Yes. And Red Bear has got star pajamas. Wow, look. How cool. Okay. Next shape. It's the moon shape. Yes, we see the moon at night. Okay, on we go. And here is a picture with all the shapes we learned today. Yes, can you remember any of the shapes? Well, the kite shape is shaped like a diamond. The triangle, yeah, is a roof of the house, yeah. And what else we have? An oval, top of a tree, yes. Okay, so that's it, my friends. We are finished for today. That's the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed hearing our story today. And don't forget, you can book English classes with me. Yes, I'm a teacher and I love to teach children. Bye, everyone.